Alright, this is a 2021 Montana High Country 383TH. It is a revised 380, 381, so they completely changed the kitchen setup. A little bit more storage, more functionality. So we're going to do a review on the inside here in a minute. But check out this storage. And look at your patio space. Triple axle. So this is your bedroom. Your bed is currently in the up position, and you've got 6'9" of headroom in here, so you can easily fit a golf cart. You got 10 foot all the way back to that diamond plate that you can see there. So I'll prove to you right at the dot, 10 foot. You got 1, 2, 3 tie downs on each side. HVAC system throughout the whole coach. Motion sensor lights. You've got a fire extinguisher capable of holding 1,500 pounds. There we have it. This is your power to run the bed slide up and down, so we'll go ahead and run this bad puppy down. Even with it down, you could still get a motorcycle in there if you needed. Very handy. This is going to be a wardrobe slide since your bed is facing north and south instead of east and west like all other floor plans. So it gives you the option to have plenty of storage in the wardrobe. Nice and open down here. This used to be all closed off, but now it's fully passed through. Humongous storage space, really. Motion sensor lights in here as well. Straight up above me, you can see this is your heat duct, and then your water line run right beside it. So that's what qualifies this as a 0 degree rated. They're all constructed that way. It's a 4 seasons package. There is no other way to buy them. So let's have 6-point automatic leveling system. It's a ground control 3.0 with some dirt on it. You also have new grease zerks, so you can actually do some maintenance on this. Looks like you get some thicker shackles or whatever you want to call those. That's going to be your kitchen slide, the main big one there. You've got your couch right there. So let's check out what the weight of this is. Unloaded weight 13,690, and it can hold up to 17,000 pounds. 30-pound propane tank. Here's your water and TV connection, battery disconnect. 2,000 watt inverter. That is a new standard for Montana 2021. That is only with the residential package. So if you get the 382, you will not get that inverter. It will be prepped for it though. Here's your automatic leveling system. It doesn't have a battery on it, so I don't want to go ahead and show you that. That's why it's beeping at me, because it's all confused, not having a battery in it. So every 382, 383TH from Montana is generator prepped. That is a standard plug and play system if you choose to do so. You got the nice Rotaflex pin box with the LED light and the hitch vision. Get you all hooked up in the nice big beautiful windshield. So that's the outside, big and beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Just check out this patio space. You want to talk about a party? This is it. Alright, now let's go check out the inside. That's where the real big changes have happened. Get ready. Doo-doo-doo. Here we go. So that slide is still the same. Nothing changed there. Close this door. So the change happened right here. Kaboom. Pow. So it used to be just an L shape. There used to be, you know, this right here and that. They did not have this other peninsula part coming out. So that provides, you know, twice the storage of what you had before. And not to mention the storage that you are getting with this shelf area over here. All of your controls are back behind this panel, as you can see. All right, so like I said, generator prep, that's a standard. So everything is here, all the wires are run. You just simply buy the generator, the exhaust kit, hook it up, good to go. Heated holding tanks, again, this is a Four Seasons coach. They are built that way as a standard. No matter what, it's gonna come that way. Remote switch, so that's new for 2021. I really love that they did that. So you don't have to worry about getting down into the pass-through storage when you unplug from shore power. You just simply, when you unhook and have everything buttoned up, flip switch. Solar prepped with 5 outlets running off of the inverter. So this, all you have to do now, you just take these 2 screws out. You don't have to worry about cutting the hole. It's already pre-cut for you. The wiring is right there. It's just simply a plug-in, like a phone plug. It's for your remote to show you what your solar is going to do. So you can literally just slap a panel up on the roof, get your little remote display, and you are set to be off-grid 100%. Not to mention you have a generator, or prep anyhow. I mean, you could get the generator, so why not, right? But look at this storage. It's amazing how they just kind of configure everything in these trailers nowadays. Absolutely love it. And while we're on the storage topic, right when you step in the coach, you got these really neat bar stools. Slide this big guy out of the way so you get a better view and feel for this. So nice shoe shelf, I guess you could call it. You know, somewhere to put all your shoes and sneakers. I don't know what else you would put there, but let me know in the comment section below. Nice little handle to get in and out. You know, it's, again, I always say this, but it's the little things with Montana that they think of, as well as the handle going up the step. Here's your central vacuum connection with the motion sensor night light. This is the graphite interior. This is gray. Your other option is Homestead, so that's going to be the brown. They look real similar to me, just the tones of them are different. There's no real difference of light versus dark like in the Montana. So these are Trifold sofas. They will open up, and you know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and show you this one opened up. Alright, I'm going to show you just how easy this is. The back velcros out, just set it aside somewhere that you can get it out of the way. Same with this guy. Pull up from the bottom and out. Flip your legs. Set her down nice and gentle. You get nice 6 inches of padding all the way across, so it's very comfortable. This back piece just, and you got yourself a bed. Ta-da! That easy. 30 seconds. Close it back up. You just do the opposite. Flippity flip. Tuck and roll. Good to go. Just stick them bad boys right back in there. Back in action. There you have it. Trifold sofa here and there. Makes one big nice bed. And then you've got your theater seats over here. So if you were just you and the old lady or whoever, you can sit here, you can kick back, you can run your recliner back. These are powered, obviously. No heat and massage. That's only when you step into a Montana. But quite frankly, they don't offer a toy hauler. So why would you do it, right? And then you can take your little cup holder out if you want to get a little cuddly. So this is your fireplace, obviously. 30-inch. It does put out heat. It's got a nice heater element in here. You can control the timer. It's got different colors that you can change to. So let me see. Blue, red, and yellow. And it's got a sleep timer, so you can go all the way up to 8 hours. I won't bore you with the details. New stereo system. So basically the same thing it was before. So you've got different modes. You can have inside speakers going and outside, or vice versa, or have, you know, one or the other. And then this is your beautiful view. And over here, there's going to be your control system. There you have it, 50-inch TV. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your little piece of paradise. Up above you is going to be your Whisper Quiet Cool air conditioner. And you see the little white peg there, that is for your wine guard satellite prep. If you choose to add that, you can buy that simply on Amazon or any RV dealership. The wires are here, run directly to your antenna, and everything nowadays is super easy to hook up. And you just got to pay for it. That's all they want is your money, right? So like I've covered in my previous videos, they did change all this trim around the slides to a darker color. It goes a lot better with everything instead of the brown. They also changed your side valances. These are blackout roller shades. Super easy peasy. You got your 12-volt fan running. Now this is a new fridge. It's the GE. It's got a water dispensing system right here in the door, and also a filter right there. So you don't have to worry about drinking some cruddy water. It'll automatically purify it for you. This is an upgrade freestanding chairs. Sorry, something popped up on my screen. Freestanding chairs. It does have an added leaf that extends out. Your standard is going to be a booth configuration, which is just fine. Nice lights here, nice light box, just well finished. There you have it. So back to the kitchen. Got your 80/20 sink. Nice black stainless residential style sprayer. Beautiful little window here. It's very nice to have. You can open it up. Get a nice cross breeze going. And again, the roller shade. Now I pointed this out in the 377 FL because this is the exact same kitchen. But it's pretty neat that there is no dividers in there for those cabinet doors. So you can literally fit, obviously, anything in there that is that full width. You don't have to worry about fumbling around and hitting that divider piece. Look at that fit. Quality craftsmanship, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, new microwave. So it is still a standard microwave, not a convection, but it's a 30-inch, nice sleek look to it. New stove and oven combination with the storage drawer down below. So this is a Suburban brand. It's a really good brand. They've been around forever. I believe it's the same as your furnace as well. Alright, nice and spacious. So here's one control for your air conditioner, furnace, and your max air fan that is going to be directly above your kitchen area. So if you're doing some cooking in here, and if you cook like my ma, you don't have to worry about the smoke alarm going off when you turn that thing on. Alright, let's go check out the bathroom. So you've got these 3 steps going up with, again, the motion sensor light right there in the hall. Let's close this, makes it easier, maybe. Okay, here we go. Nice one-piece residential with a built-in seat. Got a nice handrail, sprayer, plenty of headroom in there if you're a tall person like yourself. Nice medicine cabinet with a little bit of storage underneath of it. The LED lights above. And then you've got all kinds of storage down below. Right here. In there. So plenty of room to put all of your toiletries. I'll show you the toilet over here. Plenty of elbow room with the foot flush. Got the heat blowing down from the register right there. Keep your bum all nice and warm. Now check this out. So this is going to be either your washer and dryer connected or just a humongous amount of storage. Let me see if I can get that in the shot. It's kind of tight in here. There you have it. So I'll show you. You can see those doors over there. That goes directly into the bedroom. And there's your washer dryer connections. So let's go check out the bedroom. Nice magnet, catches the door sometimes. Here we go. Alright. Ta-da! So this is a queen bed. It is the only option that you have for a bed in this model, which is just fine. Nice big window. And I don't know if it's got any lights back in there or not. Nope, no lights, but it does have a nice outlet on both sides. And you've got your second air conditioner directly in the bedroom, so you don't have to worry about getting hot. TV prep on the wall. And it's got the little yellow dot, so that means it's powered through the inverter if need be. There's the other side of your washer dryer. I'll show you that here in a second. Then this is your wardrobe slide that I was talking about on the outside, so you get pretty good depth there, you know, to live in this thing full time. So let's check this out. There you have it. Ton of space. There's your central vacuum hose for the steps in the living area. Very nice. Now let's see what kind of storage we've got in this wardrobe. Alright, so you've got hanging shelf behind door number 1. Door number 2. All kinds of other organizers. And I'm going to bet that behind door number 4 is going to be just like door number 1. So you got 1 and 2, and then your, you know, you can stack your folded stuff in there. So there we have it. This is the new 383 or 382 TH toy hauler, designed for a golf cart and or, well, not and, or a motorcycle. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. I love sharing all this information with you. We're 20 miles from the factory, so nobody beats our prices. Make sure you call Jared. My number is below. I am Team Montana. Thank y'all for watching.